Actually, pretty good about on the floor.
Sao thế là có sao thế là.
I'm good, Evan. I'm supposed to use the wrong one. That's the tipper.
Sao thế chứ.
I love tippers. Final boss. Final boss, you're not using none of mine. Tippers! That wasn't good. That was why though. I need more.
Okay.
My name is Oscar Brady. He put one hand behind his back and looked at Kevin with disdain as if to assert his superiority. Didn't you say that we should stop talking to them? Let me finish him off. As Marco Rudd spoke, he continued to move his sword lightly out on the island. Sebastian and the other two had been paying close attention to Kevin and Dalton. Now that they were working together, each and every one of their actions undoubtedly affected the nerves of the others. Despite what they had said earlier to try and assert themselves, they were well aware of how powerful Kevin truly was. And it wasn't an exaggeration to say that he was the strongest among the Foundation's younger generation. Sebastian, Clarissa, and Clyde were pegged as the future leaders of the three major schools. By following Kevin, would they have the greatest guarantee of survival? As such, this was the reason why Paul forward and repeatedly reminded them to look for Kevin and team up with him. However, judging from what they were currently seeing on the monitor, with Sebastian Young and Clarissa Pratt only valuing Kevin for his herbalist skills, both he and Dalton felt Paul Vaughn, Jeffrey Bowie, and Wayne Ford couldn't help but frown upon seeing this footage on their monitors, since their students were pegged as the future leaders of their respective.
Text. Yeah.
About Tahoe. Number Thalo, you were Thalo, parking lot. The parking lot, but it's a boat sounds without here. We did John, so I don't think.
Thảo thế nào?
Yeah, nyei đâu. Cái thảo ta lâu tay. Nó biểu tỏ đi mình. Hey, thế bố. Ibu ta thανai ta thανai này, but biểu yang đủ, vậy này, bùng khu tiêu bùng chứ nào, bà nhát khu hết chứ này bùng, đây tại ba dây nó để hiểu ba dây như tổ, ok nó lại xin của nó nha bài, thανai ta buồn nom nọ, buổi chứ này sưởi chứ này suốt buổi hồi sau tôi tập biểu bên này nhảy ra đi cha mòn gì chưa? Hi. Hi, how are you? How are you? Come on, shake your hand. Ôi, ơi, đúng. Tôi ngả dế,ยิ้มphun mày nhẹ đấy. Nhói phun biểu mày nhẹ quá. Ê, có liền lỏng phun ra nào mày. Cái gì? Giờ chọn chung biểu thì nói này phải là dịp chưa lọ nó biểu đông biểu tôi giờ đót gì bụi nhé hiểu đông ta nói nhiều biểu nãy giờ Leiz.Yauz En phi saeng in hồi đi đi bữa giờ mai tú lấy bài tông đi bữa tôi tay sạc trên đi bữa chùa thế in hồi dạng gì xe đi tại sớm thì như cung như xuống để như chết như bài to như sắm có lọ chết bé như khi sắm hả như lại xin khi nung phụ niên mai sâu mình chịu cầu để nó để bài to như khi sắm hả lại xin sắm